Is your garage door feeling a little off balance in Vista, Nebraska? Don't ignore the signs. Titan Garage Doors NE is an expert at adjusting spring tension to make sure your garage door works safely and smoothly. Slow movement, uneven lifting, or jerky motions. These all mean one thing. Your garage door needs expert help. With our skills and precise adjustments, we'll restore your garage door's balance and functionality. Don't let a small problem grow into a big headache. Dial 402-513-0255 for your peace of mind.